want to share a tip with you, and this relates to tie wraps or zap straps or whatever you call these things. When you put these on and cut them, no matter how close you try to get with your pliers or your side cutters, it's like a razor blade there, right? And there's a way that you can totally negate this problem. So I'll show you right now. You grab hold with your pliers this way, and we're just going to twist. You don't need to pull. In fact, specifically do not pull. Just keep twisting until it completely pops right off of there. Look at that difference. It's 100% smooth there, and this is like almost a razor's edge. So that is a great tip, and I hardly ever see people actually doing that. And really, you should be doing that every time, because that's definitely the way to do that. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe, because I'm technically Steve. So it would technically help you to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you do, I'll see you later.